Alright, G&Bs, quiet down. School is in session. Now, our friends have given us the privilege of helping them transform their 1980 Skoolie, the 369, into nightly accommodations for their property here in Georgia. That's right, you and a lucky guest will be able to sleep in an authentic Skoolie once it's done. So don't book your reservation just yet. I have never slept in a school bus. Now, when I did go to school, I slept all the time in the classroom. I think that's probably why I've been able to get to where I am in life today. I don't expect for you to be able to reach my academic heights, but the next best thing is to spend the night in a schoolie, and it's probably a lot more fun than my life has turned out to be. Now, we're not going to be able to get this completed in a couple of weeks. These projects take months, sometimes years, but what we hope to do is show you short little videos each day on our progress, or lack thereof, that might inspire you to do your own project, but certainly should help you to appreciate the labor of love that the Skoolie community has for each one of these buses. Now, on our first video, day one, we're going to wash the bus. Enjoy. So what do you think? Doesn't look much worse, right? I heard that. Should give you more homework. Class dismissed.